action.
So guys, you see when you think nurture being, just think of like a one-stop herbal shop, you know, where you can go, you can get your herbs, the skincare herbs, you can get your herbs for your internal care. We have things for the blood, for the heart, for the lungs, for the stomach. We have for if you have spotty skin, the skin dehydrated. You see, women, your vagina itch, we have something for you. You have tenderness, when you are overweight, we have something for you. Hormonal imbalance, we have something for you. Men with the limp dick, we have something for you. Your face bumpy, and you need something to clean up the blood, we have something for you. You know? Your kidney, your liver non-function, we have something for you. Your skin dry and scaly, we have something for you. You don't know what to eat, you're not sure how to eat or what to eat, we have something for you. Same it. So every single thing you can think of, we have something for you. So when you're thinking about complete nutrition in terms of medicinal plant and stuff, just think Nurture Being. Trust me. Nurture Being? Yeah. Our one-stop herb shop.
Alright, so I'm sure you guys already know about the infamous herbalist and healer, Dr. Ben. And guess what? He's trying to do something similar to what the world-renowned Dr. Sebi did in Honduras. He's trying to create a healing center similar to the Usha Village, right? A place where everybody around the world could fly in and get their assessment done. After they get their assessment done, then now they could be put on a program of holistic healing via the ancestral way, right? So right now, Dr. Ben is in the journey to making this dream a reality, to manifesting this healing center. So what he's asking is all hands on deck, because it's gonna take all of us to make this dream a reality. You heard? So even if you don't have, you know, any significant amount of money to contribute, we still need people to help us build this dream, to help us build physically with your hands the eco village with the mud houses that we'll be creating. That's already started, actually. Mud houses utilizing the earth beneath our feet, that bamboo that grows from the earth. Solar panel farming, solar panel sustainability, a whole place that is dependent and reliable on itself, right? A whole place where you could come and you could get healed the ancestral way, and that's what we're trying to create. So tap in and let's make this dream a reality.
All right, so we have reached the entrance of the retreat facility, Kibbutz Kahai Eco Village retreat facility. This is what we have done so far. So the road, we have basically cut the road onto the property. And you know, we do have some solar lights up here. So when you come in, over here we're gonna be preparing herbs. So we're gonna put the apothecary right here. Right here is where we plan to have the office and a little gift shop. Right, so this is where we plan to put in the office and the gift shop.
Okay, so as you're coming, this will be, you'll see the apothecary over there, and then the gift shop over here.
Right.
Right.
And then over there, we're going to have one of our restaurants.
Okay, so where that frame is.
So we're gonna have a kitchen and a dining room right there.
Nice.
That's that. And then.
Oh, I love a tree here.
Yeah, it's a mango.
Yeah.
So this is going to be where we're going to have the amphitheater. So the amphitheater is going to be here.
Ooh. I feel like I can see some swing song all over the place.
So when we were living here, we have lights. So there's a light up in the tree.
Yeah, we see.
Solar light. So this is where the stage is going to be.
Right.
That is where the seats are going to be.
Yeah.
All the seats are going to be there.
Yeah.
And that's we call it Gethsemane. So it's gonna be a garden. Right.
This have a vibe right here, so.
Yeah, so this is where I come to do a lot of videos. I've done a lot of videos right here. And so we plan to have an amphitheater there. And this is a nice chill spot.
Right.
It's a nice meditative spot. So this is somewhere nice to come and relax.
It feels good.
Yeah, so we want to put in more flowers, make it into a nice garden. And yeah, this is where we plan to chill.
So guys, when you come here, you can come here, come talk to them 2 mango tree here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
As you can feel the breeze.
Yeah.
It's cool
Feels
at
good.
night. Very nice.
Like imagine just lie down right there, so, and drop asleep. How many people can say then sleep outside and feel safe? Like out a door under one tree, not many. And right here you're going to get that experience. Because the vision for this property is so beautiful. When you're here, you're gonna be able to relax in almost every spot. The place gonna be set and you're gonna have your natural homes. There's a lot of fruit tree around, a lot of medicinal plants. And if you want, you can just take a yoga mat or your towel and just go anywhere and lie down and sleep and you're safe.
Right. Right. So this is where we plan to do some of our cottages.
Right.
This we reserve for A-frame cottages.
Right over here?
Right here.
Okay.
So you can't see it now, but we're gonna put a road. That road is gonna continue in between and go all the way to the back of the property. So there's gonna be a road here. And then below that now, we have a lot of terraces. And these terraces, we're not going to move the trees. We're just going to trim them up to provide shade. And we plan to put the A-frame cottages along here. So it goes all the way around, then again down, all the way around. So we have lots of cottages. And these are the wicker plants we're selling about, the roots.
Yes. Oh my God, guys, y'all gonna love it. Cause me already know which cottage may stay. The one where I got there between them 2 3 years.
And I think I might dam here and put a pond. So when the water runs off the property, it runs through a ravine there. So we want to dam it and put some fish pond and it just flow over.
Wow.
And go down. This is what the country. This is what the new. This is a jackass bit of flowers though. This is what the flowers look like.
It almost have a honeycomb kind of vibe. Like
Nice
you go
yellow.
Up into it, the octagon shape. Yes, man. So these are the jackass bitters. Yesterday I beat it and I was a jackass for a while.
So.
Oh God, that made me remember.
Oh, and this is the lark daisy. It's a nice herb to make tea. It's purple again, so you know it's good. Lots of iron in it. Good for, especially for men. Lark daisy makes a nice tea.
And guys, these are some of the herbal teas that you're gonna get.
Yes.
And me know Dr. Ben, I got tailor the teas based on what your needs are.
Right.
You carry it in the garden, and he's gonna pick this for you. And you just take your medicine right from the land.
Yeah. So in the center here, because there's gonna be a road in between.
Right.
So the center here is gonna be the tea garden.
Yeah.
So this is where we're gonna have some cannabis growing.
Right.
Right inside here.
Right.
Up here on that ridge is where we're gonna put the conference hall. Yeah. So it's gonna come back here, and then there's gonna be some columns. So underneath gonna be the library.
Okay.
Above gonna be the.
So you're basically working with the contour.
Yes. Permaculture.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna drink one jelly.
Yeah, man, we can drink one.
I want lot of them right there. So, oh guys, this is what I love. The Dr. Ben is gonna show us it.
Right. So this is actually going to be the sauna.
I know say I want gungo tree this, you know.
Yeah, go. And this is actually being built by Brother Kaifas. He's on TikTok.
Huh?
TikTok. He's one of our brethren. So So we're into natural construction, and this is his project. This is actually what we call a ram earth project. So basically what he has done is that he has built a mold, and basically what he has done is that it puts up the mold, and then the mold about 2 feet so wide, and then it's made from perspex glass. Basically all it does is just put the earth in and ram it, take it off, do it again. And so we're gonna go all the way up with this, and then we're gonna plaster it.
Could a compressor do the same thing?
Yes, as a matter of fact, with a compressor it would make it a lot more compact. Anything you can to add to the increase, to the pressure.
Is this something that you'll be teaching people when they come here?
Yes. So we'll be looking at different forms of natural construction, and this is one of them. This is, as I said, this is ram earth, and we have another project over there which is an earth bag, and we have wackle and daub, and we have bricks that we'll be making. A whole lot of different concepts of natural construction.
Right. This is nice.
So this is naturally cool,
Right.
thermally, naturally cool. So it's hurricane resistant, it's earthquake resistant, termite resistant, and it is fire resistant, and it is bulletproof.
Yes.
So.
And all of this you get from nature, and these are some of the things that when you come to the retreat you will need learning.
Right. So this building, nothing came off the property to do this. This was made using everything from off the property. So this is a free building. So we want to teach persons, we want to debunk the whole misconception or the over reliance that people have on cash, because we believe that cash is overrated. You know, money is needed, but it's not as needed as people think. We can do a lot without money. And so this is just one of them, proof of one of them. Yeah.
All right, guys, Nurture being here, and I just wanted to say that we're actually expanding our healing by trying to set up a healing center, a place where you guys could come in,
learn to eat, learn proper cultural practices for maintaining your health, just learning the correct ritual on how to maintain the home with good health, how to maintain your kids with good health, good herbs, how to eat, when to eat, right?
And you guys can now see the herbs that are going to do the work, where you guys can now learn how to utilize and to even identify the herbs that are going to do the work. So what we're doing is that we're focusing on YouTube as a way to generate these funds. We also ask you guys subscribe to our Patreon. In our Patreon, we have Herbal Talks, right? We show behind the scene access or content with our blogs and our videos. We talk history, we talk hidden history, we talk metaphysics. It's a whole university back there in the Patreon. So
I am the Neb Sorcerer Supreme, and this is an emergency broadcast. You see, humanity indeed is awakening, and many are tapping into their spiritual abilities. But there exists to be opposition in the form of global elites, world governments, and the puppet masters who control them. These puppet masters have also placed a hex on your mind. Yes, you have been brainwashed, programmed, and controlled throughout your whole existence. And this goes especially for the black race. You are the race that has suffered immensely. You are the race that has forgotten your identity. Yet, you are the race full of love. You are the race of melanin that continues to smile during the darkest of times. But again, the hex is on your mind, and it is here on the Melanin Matrix channel, where both the black gods of this planet, as well as the other races, shall discover the truths of reality, history, and themselves. Yes, that's right. You will see the signs to your spiritual awakening. You will come across information that were intentionally hidden from the history books. You will learn of sound, frequency, and dark matter energy. You will fully grasp what are secret societies. Now, I leave it to you, my fellow gods, to help this channel grow, for we will wake up.
Up in the mountains, the air doesn't just fill your lungs, it heals you. The river resets your nervous system. And under the stars, your spirit starts to remember who you are. But the real magic, it's in the soil.
The next major construction. So this is supposed to be our outside toilet and shower.
So this will be where we can take a shower.
Yeah, so persons who camp
Yes.
can shower.
And another thing that you can do here in the future to do, you have camping spots. So if you're a camper, you want a safe place in Jamaica to camp, this will be also, there will be space reserved for camping, and then they will have water set up, toilet set up, and those things, so your camping is more easy going.
Convenient.
So outside of the natural constructions that will be here, you can take your tents if you want and come set up.
Alright, so this now, so we're gonna have cottages here. Persons are living, mangoes. So this was cottage I'm gonna here. Up there we're gonna put a proper chicken coop.
Yeah.
So we can get the
eggs and stuff.
The eggs and the manure for the biogas, which will be down there.
Okay.
So there's gonna be a biogas digester.
Yeah.
That is on the lower part of the property, across the road. And here we're gonna have a kitchen. So this is a kitchen that's made from earth bags, still under construction. So this was again made from by recycled material. So what we did is that went to all the supermarkets and we told them when you finish with the rice bags, give them to us. So we stack the rice bags, then we mesh it, and then what's left is now we're supposed to plaster these.
Right.
And we can use earth and plaster it. And then we can build on top of it. So this is gonna be a kitchen, and this is gonna be a dining room. So it's gonna be like a multi-purpose hall right here for the cottages. So those persons who are here, this is gonna be their cottage, and we can have another function because we're gonna have another cottage, a kitchen and dining room at the front.
Right. So this is, oh my, guys, I don't think the camera is doing justice to how beautiful the place is. Like the landscaping is, like it just looks good. Like nature is already doing a very good job. Imagine when we come together now and put it, make it more refined. Oh my God.
And then over there is supposed to be our
over there?
compost heap right here.
Okay. So it's a whole heap of natural way of dealing with stuff. So you have the natural gas where you can compost.
So this is gonna be our compost site. Which was the last project I did. You know, so this is where we do our composting. So from the kitchen to the compost heap, and then from the compost heap we plan to use it back.
So you cover it with the straws. Oh, that's very hygienic.
we
Absolutely.
plan to put in. So the property goes, let me just come and show you. So that's one of our cottages too.
Oh, down there.
So the
Oh.
property goes all the way down to the river.
Me love
and all
down
the way
there. See one nice little cottage down there. Look at the bamboo tree then.
Yes, guys, so this is the vision, the Kibbutzka High Healing Retreat. A vision being chased by one ambitious man, but could become reality by the hands of the many, the hands of the collective. And remember, it's not just economic help that's needed, but it's the physical help that we need the most, or the help with the heart.
So guys, I want to welcome you. I want to thank you for touring with us, the Kibbutz Kahai Eco Village. As I said, that this is definitely going to be a place where you want to be. It's designed to be a place that will be therapeutic, will offer healing, not only physically, but emotionally, spiritually, and otherwise. So at this facility, we hope, we intend it not only be for it to be a place where people get physical healing, but it's a place where the knowledge will be preserved and protected. And we hope to do workshops where we train persons to do what we do, how to eat, how to live the way our ancestors lived, pretty much. Because we now realize that a lot of what we do, a lot of what we're exposed to is what is causing so many people to get sick. So we want to expose persons to that traditional holistic living so that persons can be healed. So we invite you to come on. We need your support. You don't have to be monetarily. We're also looking for persons who are willing to come and work with their hands and also learn at the same time.